Welcome everybody to Bajerski YouTube channel. It's very cloudy today. Yeah, it's very difficult to see what's underneath, above those clouds. But anyway, it's a wonderful day. Welcome everybody. What we're talking about today, we're talking about, well, really, I guess in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I get systematically loads of messages, but they're all mixed all the time. But more and more recently, more and more people are complaining of hearing voices in their head and not feeling themselves, not feeling connected, not feeling in control of their thoughts and what they do. And this is a typical example as a healer that we see, that sometimes there's attachments. And attachments are becoming more and more, I guess, accepted. People are starting to realise that there is another side to this world that we live in, which is slightly darker. And we talk about ghosts, which I call trap spirit. And then we talk about attachments, which are, let's say, from other worlds that vibrate into this world and attach and feed off our energy. Obviously, they have to make us feel bad to feed from that energy. If we're feeling happy and joyful, they don't attach. You never have attachments where you're filled with joy and happiness, because it's like poison to them. So anyway, to cut a long story short, I've been kind of, within this last year, 20 years I've been doing it, but this past last year has been more significant to those that are starting to recognize it a little bit more now. Which is good in a sense and bad in a sense, because we don't want people to have attachments. So I started making certain products to try and help people, purely to help my clients. And I decided this morning that I'd do like a special kit. So I'm going to show it you now. So the first thing in the kit that you'll get is my #1 seller product on markbajerski.com with 17,000 products on there. Well, more like 20, but this is the best seller. It sells every day. We can't get enough of it. We struggle to order it in because it's made in the Andes, so it's like it's getting harder and harder. However, we keep going and we keep pushing and we keep making them. So that's them. What are they? They're basically a box filled with the most beautiful incense. So they come like this. They come like this, set of 6 sticks, and they burn absolutely amazing. And how I recommend you use these is in the morning. Just take a little piece, burn it all over you, and the smoke will go all over your body, and for about 3 minutes, and that should be plenty. And then if you at any point during the day, if you've got the box with you, if you're doing any kind of healing work, psychic work, if you're meeting people in big crowds, cleanse yourself before you go, and when you come back, cleanse yourself as well. Before you go to sleep, it's always good to cleanse yourself as well. So that's one part of the kit that you can use at home. However, when you're going out into an open place, it's hard to get the smoke over you if there's wind blowing and if people are around. And if that's the case, then this is another spray here, which this spray sprayed over, just give me a second. Even after that many seconds, you can. It's so powerful. You might cough or breathe it in. It's so strong. This is Palo Santo, and I didn't mention, but the sticks are Palo Santo too. So this is cleansing negative energy aura spray. So this keeps your energy high, keeps anything at bay, so you feel always good. Now you can take this anywhere. Three sprays is plenty, and it just goes all over your aura, and it just clears anything that is within your energy field. Now, we made something slightly stronger, and as you all know, that I'm an advocate of sage. So I created this last week, and this is the new spray and it's basically a detox spray. Detox meaning we clear entities. So basically this spray was made, I put prayers in all of them. I put pure energy healing into all of them. This one has a special prayer, which is like, it's so powerful. You spray it over you. Ooh, strong. So this is pure sage. Okay, so this is absolutely fantastic. If you have been attacked, if there's any kind of attack, use this and it will work amazing. Okay, it's really powerful. So I always recommend using oils on the body, and especially lower back, stomach, heart, and then any of the chakra points. So this is again Palo Santo. So this will be a beautiful oil that you can rub on all your points. Go down, rub around your stomach, and especially around your back. This is absolutely fantastic. It will seep into the body system and heal the body and clear any kind of negativity out. This is if you're being attacked in any way. This is sacred. So sacred is a blend of sage. It's a blend of Palo Santo. It's a blend of frankincense. These three together are absolutely a divine, powerful energy that clears anything. So you would use it wherever you feel. Rub it on the heart if you feel like you've got an attachment on your heart. Again, back, all your chakras, feel where it is. Always remember to breathe it in through the nose as much as you can, and just let it be done, let it work, and it's fantastic. So finally, this is the final piece of the puzzle. To keep yourself in good energy all the time, out of all my 400 types of crystals on my websites and over 17,000 of them, this here is what I believe is going to be the best for psychic attacks. Now, this crystal comes from Burma, and this is a very unusual crystal, the most unusual crystal for the very topic, for the very energy that we're trying to clear and keep away. So this is called Maw Sit Sit. So it's spelled M-A-W, sit as in sit down, sit, sit, Maw Sit Sit. This is a beautiful crystal. It is for the removal of any dark energies. It's fantastic if you have attachment, if you have entity, if you have any kind of demonic energy that for some reason dark energies do not like this crystal. So I recommend this to everybody. Go to your local store. Even if you don't buy anything off me, go to your local store. This is a great crystal. At times there is more entity than ever before because of CERN, DARPA and HARP creating this awful toxic soup in this world that makes it heaven for entities, if you understand what I mean. It's their joyful playground now. So this is a wonderful crystal. It's very rare and hard to get hold of, but there you go. It clears trap spirit, it clears entity, it clears demonic energy, it clears attachments. It holds a frequency that clears dark forces. It will help and protect you, and it is also blessed too with the work that I do called Pure Energy Healing. So all in all, that is what you'll get. I am going to now put a link below, because I haven't got that many more sits, and because some people are choosy about what crystal they want. I'm not going to just put one photograph of what of all of these things plus the crystal, and then I'll just choose a crystal. I won't do that now. You can choose your own crystal. So what I will do is I might be able to get 3 or maybe 3 at the moment. So I'll take a photo of them and make sure that the crystal is in the shot so you can see it. Okay, I want that set with that crystal, and I will do it at DHL, free DHL delivery, and I'll do it the best price I can. All right, I just wanted to share that with you for those who have been struggling, saying they're being attacked at the moment. Listen, most people won't believe you, but I do, and I understand exactly where you are. So this will absolutely help. And that's it. That's as much as I can say, and I wish you well. One link below to my beautiful set. I hope you appreciate it. Take care. Have a great day.